In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check message history in Discord. We'll use Discord's built-in data request tool, which compiles your messages into a downloadable archive. This is a reliable way to review past conversations across servers and direct messages without endless scrolling. Start by opening Discord on your desktop or in your browser and sign into the account you want to review. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the app. Click the small gear icon next to your avatar to open user settings. This is where all your account controls live, including privacy and data tools. In the left sidebar of settings, find and select data and privacy. This section manages how your information is handled and is the quickest route to requesting a copy of your data. Take a moment to glance through the options so you know what's available, but we'll focus on the export features today. Next, locate the request data option. This tool bundles up the information associated with your account, things like messages, media references, and other account details, into a downloadable package. Using this method ensures you're getting your message history directly from the source in a consistent format. When prompted, choose messages. Selecting only messages keeps the export focused and significantly reduces the file size and processing time. If you include everything, the archive can become large and take longer to prepare, so narrowing it to messages is usually the most efficient approach if that's all you need. Finally, click Request My Data to submit your request. You may be asked to confirm the action through a brief prompt. After that, Discord will begin preparing your archive. Processing time can vary depending on how much history you have. It may take anywhere from a short while to longer for very active accounts. You'll receive a notification when your export is ready, typically with a secure link to download it. Keep an eye on your Discord notifications and the email associated with your account. A few tips as you wait. Make sure your account is secure and your contact details are up to date so you don't miss the download notification. Remember that the archive reflects content stored by Discord, and it won't include messages that were removed in ways that prevent retrieval. When your data is ready, store it in a safe location and don't share it publicly, since it can contain sensitive conversation history. And that's it. By going to Discord, opening user settings, navigating to data and privacy, selecting request data, choosing messages, and confirming with Request My Data, you'll have a clean, official copy of your message history ready to review.